Hello, Alphonse. That's not AI. Hello, Alphonse. Look at the camera.
What's up?
We're driving the ice cream truck. I'm making ice cream. I'm making ice cream, guys. It's so funny. Oh, it's time to make ice cream. Go click the music. Don't hit it too hard. Beep, 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 beep. He's driving the ice cream truck. We're at Ayala Mall in the time zone. Is that a cactus ice cream? Look, it's Spike. It's Spike! Is that Meowsicles?
Wait a second. Is that kid?
Is that Marinette Tupanching?
Yeah, is that Mari? Why is it AI?
That's not AI. Not everything you see is AI. That is not AI. I'm gonna go drink some water.
We're going to go make a video that will unboxing a Hot Wheels. Or, I mean,
Water. You want to go inside now?
Not yet.
Where do you want to go?
We're not there.
Okay, let's go now. Bye bye, guys.